The box you receive contains 2 nightstand. The video only shows the panels, hardwares, and assembly steps for 1 nightstand. When installing with power tools, please use a low-speed setting. Wear gloves to avoid getting lubricant on your hands. Separate the slide rails before installation. Fully extend the rail. Press the clip and pulling out the inner rail. Attach outer rails H on panel 3 and 4. Pay attention to the screw hole positions and the direction of the rails. Make sure to screw it in vertically to avoid damaging the panel. The holes where the 2 screws are screwed and also need attention. Insert bolts A into the small holes of panel 1. Insert wood plugs C into the big holes of panel 1. Insert panel 3 and 4 into panel 1, making sure the grooves are aligned in the same direction. Insert housing B with the arrow pointing towards bolts A into the holes of panel 3 and 4. Insert 2 panel 10 into the grooves. Insert bolts A into the holes of panel 3 and 4. Attach panel 2. Ensure it is fully attached. Screw F into the holes of panel 2. Attach forelegs 13 to the panel 2 with screws G. Insert bolts A into the holes of panel 5. Screw in F to connect panel 6 and 7 to panel 8. The grooves must be in the same direction. Insert panel 9 into the grooves of panel 6, 7, 8. Attach panel 5. The groove on panel #5 is aligned with panel 9. Insert housing B into the holes of panel 6 and 7. Attach handle L to the panel 5 with screw G. Install the inner rails on both sides of the drawer. The screws are screwed into the 2 small circular holes. Repeat steps 5, 6, and 7 to install the other drawers. Pull the outer rail on both sides open. Align the inner rail of the drawer with the outer rail. Push in with equal force on both sides simultaneously. Measure the length of the diagonals with a ruler to ensure they are consistent. Insert buckle, E, into the gaps between the back panel. Installed on the top, bottom, left, right, and all 4 corners. All done.